I will solve this question, and it says a nuclide with a mass number of 202 and atomic number of 84 emit in succession an alpha particle and beta particle. Now the atomic number of the resulting nuclide is, alright, now let us recall that the symbol for an alpha particle now is given as the helium, and therefore the beta is represented as this, which is an electron. Alright, now, so what will now be the resulting nuclide if alpha particle is emitted from this and beta particle is also emitted from this? Alright, now let's get started. Here you have this as the nuclide. Now it actually disintegrated, giving you this, giving you the alpha particle, which is the alpha particle here. Okay, now what will now be the resulting nuclide after the emission of alpha particle? Here what we need to do is to subtract this 4, which is the mass number of helium here, from the total mass here, and subtract this 2 from the total value here, which is the atomic number. So by so doing, 202 minus 4 here now should give us 198, and 84 minus 2 here should give us 82. So let us represent this particular nuclide, or let us say X. Okay, now this particular one also emitted electron, the alpha particle. So as such, here we have 198 and 82 of the resulting nuclide. Now this now emitted the alpha, the beta particle. Now if this is now being emitted, which means this particular element 0 is deducted from this. Here you have 198, and minus 1 here is deducted from this. This should give you 83. And how do we get that? This is 82 minus 1, which will result to 82 mathematically minus times, which is minus times minus 1. So which will now give us what? 82 plus what? 1, which will give us what? 83. So the resulting nuclide is this final answer. Alright, if you love what I've just done, please guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all of my videos in chemistry, physics, and mathematics. Thank you, and God bless you.